You have been betrayed, not by your enemies, not by strangers, by the people you chose to trust. There is someone in your circle right now who is quietly relieved every time you fail. They will never say it, they will never admit it. But deep down, you already feel it. Today, I am going to reveal what nobody in your circle will ever tell you. So stay with me till the end, because the people around you may be part of the problem. Deep down, you know who is not adding value to your life. Deep down, you know who jokes about your ideas. Every time you try to say them out loud, deep down, you know the faces of your critics. Every time you choose to do better, deep down, you know the circle you are in is too small and too wrong for the life you want. You just keep choosing their choices over your own, and you call it loyalty or being a good person. Here is the first truth. They are not bad people, they are just comfortable. And comfort is a slow death dressed as peace. Comfortable people are always threatened by anyone who tries to grow, because your ideas and your vision remind them of their own insecurities and weaknesses. You know this person. Every time you share a new idea, they have a reason it will not work. Every time you try something new, they remind you of the last time you failed. Every time you start to pull away, they guilt you back into the group. That is not friendship. That is an anchor wearing a human face. Here is the second truth. Loyalty is one of the most beautiful things a person can have, but loyalty without standards is just fear with a noble name. You are not staying because you love them. You are staying because you are afraid of what moving forward looks like without them. Afraid of being alone in your growth. Afraid of being seen as someone who thinks they are better. Afraid of the guilt that comes with outgrowing people you love. But here is what nobody tells you. You cannot pour into others from an empty cup, and you cannot lift anyone up if they are pulling you down. The most selfish thing you can do is sacrifice your growth to make someone else comfortable in their stagnation. Now, I want to say something important. Outgrowing someone does not mean you stop loving them. It does not mean you forget where you came from. It means you finally respect where you are going. Some people are meant to be in your life for a short season, not a lifetime. And holding on to a seasonal friend past their season, that is how you miss your harvest. You can love people from a distance. You can wish them well without walking their road. You can honor the history without being imprisoned by it. But you cannot build your future with people who are in love with emptiness. So what do? You do not have to burn bridges. You do not have to make announcements. You do not have to explain yourself to anyone. You just start making different choices. Spend time in rooms that uplift you, with people that encourage you to do better, with people who celebrate your growth instead of fearing it. Your circle is your curriculum. Choose carefully what you are learning. I am not telling you to abandon people. I am telling you to stop abandoning yourself. Subscribe to this channel. Every week I bring you a truth nobody in your circle will say out loud. Drop growth in the comments if you are ready to choose yourself. I will be waiting. This is the Street Lecturer, class dismissed.